Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for January 2025. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see Gemini. What is coming to you ngayong January 2025 for Geminis? Solar calm, clarify. You have energy ng Cancer, which is immerse, and your energy cross-pollinate. Okay. So, kung meron kayong mga pinagdidesisyonan or pinagninilayan ng mga plano, kung gagawin nyo ba. So, ngayong January, I think maging clear na sa'yo kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Kung meron kang kailangan pagpilian, kung sino yung mga taong kailangan mong kausapin or i-reach out para humingi ng tulong or advice dito sa mga plano na gusto mo. And then, I think also, you will spend more time with your kids, your family, kung meron ka ng mga anak, no? Or, this is also energy of you taking care of your needs, taking care of yung sarili mo, no? Maari ring some of you pwedeng you will also enjoy staying at home, nasa bahay lang at the comfort of your house. You will also do some activities na magiging part ka ng grupo, magiging kind of outgoing din. So, I think mas may enjoy mo na pareho yung pagsistay sa bahay at being out with friends, with the community. So, maaring you will also network. Magpapalawak ka ng iyong mga kaibigan. Connections that will help you grow. Okay, let's see what else, Gemini. You have the Six of Wands. Ang ganda niya na. The Empress. The Nine of Swords. The Four of Wands. The Hierophant. And the Champion of Pentacles. Wow, okay. Overall, maganda tong energies for you ngayong January. May tendency nga lang na ikaw ay ma-stress dahil ang daming ganap. Ang dami mong kailangan gawin, ang dami mong kailangan asikasuhin sa trabaho mo, sa bahay, lalo na yung mga pinagsasabay yung pagtatrabaho tsaka pag-aaral. So, pwedeng you might experience some clash or parang stress or frustration. Pero manageable naman to. Kailangan mo lang talaga ng time for yourself na alam mo sa sarili mo kung kailan ka dapat magpahinga, no? Kailan ka dapat mag-detox, mag-distress. Ayan. You have the Six of Wands, so this is success. If you are into social media or nasa public eye ka, no? So, people will recognize you. Maaring mas lalawak yung connections mo, followers mo, subscribers mo, if you are into content creation. And I also see a major glow up sa'yo. Na kung saan ay maraming mag-a-admire sa'yo. Oo. I think this is the time rin na you really mas iba-value, pahahalagahan mo yung sarili mo. Ngayong January, hindi lang, yung isang aspeto sa buhay natin, sa sarili natin. Pangkalahatan, no? Your health, your mental health, your physical health, your well-being. Oo. So, you will be taking care of yourself. And if you have a business or a career path na pinupursue, I also see good things happening sa'yo. Lalo na kung magiging open ka sa mga bagong kaalaman. Let's say, yung company nyo may ino-offer na training, seminar, or convention, anything na mag-a-add ng knowledge para sa'yo. I-grab mo yan kasi this will give you an advantage in case na mga ilangan sila ng another person to assume a position. So, halimbawa, may umalis na manager or supervisor. So, ikaw yung pwede nilang i-consider kasi mas marami kang training, mas marami kang alam, mas active ka. Oo. I also see some challenge pagdating sa family. Pwedeng within your household, magkaroon ng away-away or, alam mo yun, misunderstanding, ganyan. I mean, normal naman yun, no? Lalo na sa nanay, nakikita ko dito sa mother figure ninyo, na pwedeng magkaroon ng misunderstanding, tampuhan. You have to talk it out. Kailangan nyo lang itong pag-usapan. Or give space kapag kailangan talaga ng space. And then, pag lumamig na, ayan, pwede nyo nang pag-usapan. Some of you will also spend some money pagdating sa pag-aaralan, like meron kayong course na iti-take. Okay, this can be an online course or yung iba babalik talaga sa school, traditional school. May mag-enroll kayo or meron kayong pagkakagastusan related sa pag-gain ng knowledge, bagong kaalaman. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. Ayan, wag mo raw hayaan na ibaba ang standards mo because you deserve better. Yes. Spiritual love. So, I see you going through a spiritual awakening. Maaring mas minamahal mo na rin yung sarili mo ngayon. You are also doing things na, yung mga spiritual activities na nakakapagpa-relax sa'yo or parang nagbibigay sa'yo ng peace of mind. Ano tong wish? Yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong wini-wish na, tingnan natin, in what area? Third house. Okay. This can be, sa kapatid, no? Kung meron kayong wish about your kapatid, yung iba kasi meron kayong nagiging issue or misunderstanding sa isang kapatid, no? So, pwedeng hindi pa yan maayos sa ngayong January. And if you are, may inaayos kang documents, pwedeng ma-delay pa yan ngayong January, hindi mo pa makuha. Older woman, dealings or relationship with an older woman. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na pwedeng isa sa issue ninyo sa family with a mother, yung mother figure, or kapatid, lalo na kung babae. Romance is in the air. Okay. Pwedeng may new relationship, new connection. So, ang nakikita ko rito, it's either meron kang kapatid na babae na hindi mo gusto ang relationship niya sa partner niya or romantic partner niya, or it's the other way around. It's either parent mo, nanay mo, kapatid mo, hindi gusto yung relationship mo with others. Romantically. You feel something is lacking in your life. Perhaps love, money, or goals. Okay. I think, related sa love, para sa iba sa inyo, no? Na, tipong, meron na nga sana kayong nagugustuhan, pero hindi naman supportive yung mga taong mahal nyo doon sa person na yon. So, it can be really frustrating. But when it comes to your finances, resources, there is abundance. O, tinan mo, may good luck ka pa. And then, you have speak your truth, have strength, faith, and conviction in your voice. It has never been more needed. So, I think mas magiging open ka sa totoong nararamdaman mo, regardless kung merong hindi magustuhan yung sinasabi mo or yung ideas mo. As long as alam mo na yun yung gusto mo. So, pwedeng meron kang ipaglalaban dito ngayong January. This can be your goals, yung mga pangarap mo, or someone sa buhay mo na gusto mo na magstay siya sa buhay mo. Kahit may hindi gusto yon. Okay? But definitely, when it comes to abundance, maganda ang pasok ng 2025 for you, January. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much and see you again.